And welcome to another quick and informative video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to change your address or add a new address via the myUWE page. First of all, open up your browser and let's type in myUWE to the search bar and hit enter. Click on the Log into UWE Bristol website and scroll down to find the myUWE login link. At this point, you'll log in with your own personal UWE details. And we'll come to meet on the myUWE homepage that looks like this screen here. Please note that this page will look a little different on different devices, such as a phone or a tablet. We recommend for your own ease that you use your PC or laptop when accessing myUWE. You can also use a computer on campus, which we have available for your use in the library and other study spaces. Now if you look to the top left of your webpage, we have 4 tabs. Click on the far right tab labelled My Details to open up this drop-down menu. Find and select the middle one, which is called Addresses. Now, if this is your first time adding in any address details, you won't have any addresses here yet. To add a new address, simply click this blue button, Add New Address. Here, you'll fill out your address details, and when you're ready, a blue button will appear at the bottom called Confirm. Click on that to save your details. When you're entering an address, start with the postcode to make the search easier. There is further information on the myUWE guidance page if you need it. You may have to repeat this process if you have a different term time address to your home address. You can do this simply by clicking the Add New Address button again. Your term time address is your UK address that you live at while studying at UWE. Your home address is a more permanent address where the certificates and important documents are sent to. Please make sure that they are correct and up to date. If you want to change your address which is not in the UK, please email the new address and your student details to the information point.